everyone, my today's experiment is lava lamp. So the materials we need are citric acid, baking soda, a funnel, two colors of your choice. I have chosen yellow and red, a transparent glass, a spoon, oil in a bowl, and water. First, take the transparent glass and water and pour half of the glass with water. Then, take baking soda and 1 scoop of baking soda in the water. Then, take the funnel, hold it and slowly pour the oil. Fill the glass to the top. Then, add several drops of colors. For some time. When the drops will fall in the water and mix, then you have to add 1 scoop of citric acid. Some colors have started to fall down. And now you know that you have to open the lid of citric acid and add 1 tablespoon of it into the oil. See how beautiful it looks. Do you want to know the science behind this? Like in some previous experiments, it same happens. When baking soda and citric acid are mixed in water, they form carbon dioxide, which releases as bubbles. And when it is mixed with colors, it forms cute little colorful bubbles. And now it has formed a lava lamp. So beautiful it looks. See how beautiful it looks. You know, you can make it at home. And when guests will come in your house, you will be proud and say, this is made by us, and they will be really happy. So, you can make it at home. Thank you.